We're doing a Vtec solenoid test. So far, it's looking good. Got a flashing check engine light. We'll take a look at what that is. So far we have 1133 oxygen sensors. We're getting a cylinder 2 misfire, so we may need to get another set of coils, but so far we believe the problem was the Vtec solenoid that was just really dirty. We use transmission fluid in the engine oil. We let it idle for 2 days. 2 cold starts of probably 5 hours. And we'll do one more full throttle test. That looks good, but other than that, seems like it's driving good. It's not misfiring. We did have a cylinder 2 misfire code, P1259, I believe. But it seems like the Vtec solenoid is working properly. I can also feel some power as well. Okay, let's put it in drive now. This is normal mode. There we go. 3. So far so good. We'll do one more road test. I also cleaned the camshaft actuator solenoid. Okay, one more road test. Here we go. Full throttle. And it seems like it's good. Okay. We just confirmed that the car is not going into limp mode anymore. So what will happen is, since the Vtec solenoid is not reading properly, the check engine light will be blinking and will not go past 3,000 RPM. So you can feel it's got power now. It was just really dirty. So make sure, for people out there who own CRVs, just any car in general, but especially CRVs, make sure that you do your oil change regularly, otherwise you build up sludge and then the whole Vtec solenoid channel will get super clogged up. Alright, let's pull over real quick. Turn it off, turn it back on. Okay. One more test. Yep, it's confirmed. No more limp mode. Seems like we're good. We just had to do an engine oil flush with transmission fluid, and we have to brake clean both the Vtec solenoid assembly and the camshaft solenoid. That's all we have to do. Wonderful. We still have that signal to misfire. Nope. I need to recheck codes. Okay. That's upstream oxygen sensor, upstream oxygen sensor on downstream oxygen. So we just need to get new oxygen sensors. We have a cylinder misfire detected. But other than that, no more limp mode. Alright, seems like this problem is fixed. We'll do another road test tomorrow, make sure it's good. But seems like that was pretty much the problem. Okay, to be continued on the next one.